Pero gusto ko talaga sa mahipo talaga talaga sa personal yung bonsai kasi biro mo sa sinabi
Matatagpuan yan saan?
San Isidro.
San Isidro lang.
Ang mayor ngayon doon is si Edgar Salo sa Ulon.
Sana one of these days talagang makapunta tayo doon at nang magawan din natin ng feature article yung lugar na yun.
Kaya sabi ko, Mayor, pinag-usapan namin ni Mayor sa Ulon, talagang pupuntahan ko po ang lugar na yan na talagang mula sa ugat hanggang sa puno. Talagang i-ano ko talaga kasi hindi ko ma-explain eh. Kaya, para sa'yo, Mayor, talagang antabayanan yung pagbabalik ko dyan sa San Isidro, Davao Oriental. Kasama ka doon, Ross.
Sige. Basta wala lang coincide na mga coverages tayo dito sa Davao. Pwede yun. Pwede yun.
Kaya antabayanan po ninyo ang aming coverage sa o taking ng ating gobernador sa lahat ng mga umuupo doon mula sa gobernador hanggang sa vice-gobernador, mayor, board member at mga councilor doon.
Yan ay sa Davao Oriental.
Oo, sa Davao Oriental. Kaya panoorin niyo yung mamaya.
That I will obey the laws, legal orders and decrees, promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, Your Honor. I state your name. Of the 2nd Congressional District of the Province of Davao Oriental, having been elected to the position of hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, Your Honors.
Congratulations, honorable board members of the 2nd District of Davao Oriental. Seat, and may we request the respective mayors to stay at the front of the respective municipal officials down in the audience area. From the municipality of Buston, with their mayor, Honorable Rebecca B. Rosit. From the municipality of San Isidro, with Mayor Edgar Flor V. Saulon. From the municipality of Governor Generoso, with their mayor, the Honorable Vicente D. Orencia.
That I will obey the law. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasions.
All right, congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, also to take their oath of office.
of Mati, Davao Oriental. Having been elected to the position of, hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, and of all others I may that I impose this obligation. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you very much, Governor Cora Malanyaon, and of course,
Albert S. Agsalan, Vice Governor Joel Mayo Z. Almario, Congressman Nelson Boy Dayanghirang, and his lady Nanette, of course, and the Vice Governor's lady Nancy. Honorable Mayors, Vice Mayors, Councilors, Barangay Captains, Barangay Officials, COMELEC Regional Director, Rem Tambuang, PNP Provincial Director Efren Perez, Deputy Brigade Commander Colonel Bert Dominez, Colonel Henry Duyawen, Colonel Ferdi Budeng, Superintendent Ray Galiena, our Regional Director George Campion, COA Supervisor Nomi Wong, former board members Ben Linsag, Bambi Palmahil, my close friends from Davao, our former Vice Governor Eloy Valles, former board member Ilo Castillones, members of the religious community, the Reverend fathers, sisters, and pastors, my husband Louis, and the members of my family, kaninyong tanan, atong mga bisita, maayong hapon. I stand here today humbled by the overwhelming mandate you have bestowed on me. I am reminded of a line in a musical play, The Sound of Music. Somewhere in my youth or childhood, I must have done something good. My first appearance as a singer. I must have done something good to earn your trust to continue leading our province for the next 3 years. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong pagsalig kanako o sa akong pamunuan. Sulod sa tulo ka tuig o sa dugang pang tulo ka tuig. Tungod niini, nadugangan ang akong kadasig o ayaw kamo kabalaka. Kay gantihan ko ang inyong pagsalig sa dugang pang pangalagad. Ang mga kandidato ni atong miaging piniliay nangampanya ubos sa saad sa pagbago. Pagbago sa panggamhanan. Pagbago sa batasan. Moralidad o paglantaw sa mga naa sa katungdanan. Ug labaw sa tanan ang pagbago sa kalidad sa kinabuhi sa mga Pilipino nga mahawas sila sa kapitos ug kalisod. But while our national government is embarking only now on its journey for change, we in Davao Oriental initiated ours 3 years ago. While they're only laying the cornerstones we are already reaping the rewards of the change we all together worked on.